the sockets on this light fixture are completely disintegrated so that they can no longer hold the bulb in. And I'm going to show you how to replace these. This type of light socket is for the chandelier flame shaped type of bulbs and for this type of bulbs. So the first thing I'm going to do is to just cut the wires. Okay. And then I'm just going to screw this off. So I'm just screwing this off. Almost there. This is stuck, so I'm gonna have to use pliers. Okay, so here it is. Now I'm going to cut the sheathing off to expose the wires. I'm using these funky looking scissors because they were nearby, but you can use any type of scissors. Just gonna So these are the replacement light sockets. I salvaged these from a chandelier that I was about to throw away because I didn't like the way it looked. So even though these are used, they are in excellent condition. So the key to this repair is to just connect the old wires to the wires of the new socket, and that's it. So I pulled out the wire some more and cut away more of the sheathing using a different pair of scissors. So now I'm going to show you how to splice wires, and I am going to use these butt splices or butt splice terminals for wires that are 22 to 16 gauge. So let me tell you a little bit about splicing. Splicing just means joining the wires, and the way you're supposed to do it is you strip the wires, not this much, and then you've got the other one. Okay, see? And then what you're supposed to do is stick it into this butt splice. Like this. And so you crimp one side, and see, this is the wire cutter that I used, and to crimp the butt splice, you should just put it in here, in this slot right here. So like this, right? And then you just press down like that. See, it's so tight. And then you do the same for the other wire. Stick it in. And then you put it right here. And you crimp it. See? Because there was no space for me to put the bud splice here, I just used the tip of my wire cutter and pressed hard to crimp it. Now I'm going to strip the wires. And I slide the wire into these splices and then clamp it. Because there was no room, I just used the tip of my wire stripper, and it seems to hold pretty well. Now I'm going to do the other side. It turns out the second wire was too long, so I cut some of it off, stripped it, and then put it back in the bud splice. Now I'm going to splice the black wires together. So now I'm going to plug it in. That worked.